Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download or save WhatsApp status. So if you're using iPhone, just go ahead within the WhatsApp status and just go ahead to the updates, right? And if you saw like here an update appearing to you, and if you want to save it, just go ahead and click on that person's story. And what you're going to do, if it was a picture, you're going to just go ahead and take a screenshot for this picture, right? But if it was a video, what you're going to do, you're gonna just swipe up right here, and you're gonna see the recording that I'm currently doing right now. Click on it, and you're gonna wait 3 seconds, and you're gonna be able to record this video on your WhatsApp status, and you'll be able to save it to your photos right away. But if you are using an Android or whatever, you're gonna just go ahead and do it by default. You're gonna just go ahead and see a separate settings. You're gonna see a button for recording a camera, recording studio or your home page, and you're gonna see a setting for your own camera, right, to take a screenshot. Just go ahead from there and just record, and you're gonna be able to record this status or WhatsApp status. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.